Okay guys, this is the solving multi-step equations worksheet. So I'm going to do 3 problems, so 2 on the front, 1 on the back. So this first problem, what we want to do, the goal is to get the variable by itself. So in this case, the variable is x. So first thing I like to do, is I like to mark both sides of my equation. So I got my left side and my right side. So first thing that you want to do is you want to see if you can distribute. Can't distribute here. Next thing you want to do is you want to combine like terms. So in this case, like terms are negative 4x and negative 3x. So we treat this negative like it's a subtraction symbol. So we're going to take negative 4 minus 3, which is negative 7x. Then we can also combine this 7, treat it like it's a negative, and this 4. So this is like negative 7 plus 4. So negative 7 plus 4 is negative 3. And this is all going to be equal to that 25. So now we solve our 2-step problem. So we want to eliminate this 3. When I say eliminate, I mean get it to equal 0. So to get from negative 3 to 0, you have to add 3. So remember, an equation is like a balancing act. So whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So I'm going to have negative 7x, this is going to eliminate, is equal to 28. Okay, next thing I want to do is I want to get that 7 away from the x. So to do that, I'm going to divide by negative 7. This is going to eliminate. The x is going to stay. So x equals 28 divided by negative 7 is going to be negative 4. All right, the next problem, number 4. Okay, first thing you want to do, I like to put my line down the middle. So I have my left side, my right side. So check to see if you can distribute. We can. We can distribute this 3 to both of these terms inside the parentheses. So you're going to want to do that first. So you're going to take 3 times 4w, that's going to be 12w, and then 3 times negative 1, which is negative 3. I'm going to put a plus sign here in front of the 12w because that was a positive and a positive. Gives you a positive, and then I'm going to bring everything else down. Right, after you distribute, you need to combine like terms. So the like terms that we have here are 7w and 12w. So we're going to take 12 plus 7, which is 19. So we're going to have 19w minus 3 equals negative 79. So now we need to solve our 2-step problem. So we need to eliminate negative 3. So to go from negative 3 to 0, we have to add 3 to both sides. So negative 79 plus 3 is going to give us negative 76 equals 19w. That's going to eliminate. And then we're going to want to divide both sides by 19. So in this case, we're going to get negative 4 equals w. If you don't like writing it like that, you can flip it and have w equals negative 4. Whichever way, I will accept both answers. All right, flipping to the back, I decided to pick number 10 because, like I said before, you all love fractions. So the first thing you want to do, can you distribute? Yes, you can distribute. You can distribute 3/8. Sorry, it keeps going in and out of focus. 3/8 to both of these terms. So remember, with a fraction, the top is like multiplying, the bottom is like dividing. Okay, so you can do 3 times 16 and then divide that answer by 8, or you can do 16 divided by 8 and multiply that answer by 3. It does not matter which way that you do it. So I'm going to do 3 times 16. So 3 times 16 is 48. And then I'm going to divide that by 8, and I'm going to get 6. Okay, doing the same thing over here. I know it's going to be a negative because I have a positive and a negative. It's a negative. I'm going to take 3 times 40. So 3 times 40, which is 120. Divide that answer by 8. I'm going to get 15 in. Right? Bring everything else down. I'm going to put a plus sign in front of that because it should have been a positive. Right? After you distribute, comes combining like terms. So our like terms in this case are just the negative 18 and the 6. So negative 18 plus 6 is going to give us negative 12 minus 15 in equals 8. Now we want to start eliminating. Our goal is to get the in by itself. So we want to eliminate this negative 12. So to eliminate it, we add 12. Remember, whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. So 8 plus 12 is going to be 20. So 20 equals negative 15n. Divide both sides by 15, negative 15, sorry. Okay, this eliminates. And then we're going to have to reduce our fraction. So 5 will go into both 20 and 15. So 5 goes into 20 4 times, 5 goes into negative 15 3 times. And that's going to be our answer. Again, you don't have to write it like this. You can write n equals negative 4/3. However you like to write it. All right, if you have any questions,